if you are a music teacher, you are in the right place. My name is Glory St. Germain from Ultimate Music Theory, and I am super excited to be presenting a live masterclass webinar on the 3 master keys to teach music. And you don't want to miss that. It's going to be awesome. We're going to talk about how we can teach students more effectively and help them go from feeling frustrated to motivated. We're going to talk about how we can teach music theory more effectively, and I'm actually going to share with you 3 of my favorite mnemonic devices. And you know, if you're a teacher, you know we struggle with a lot of things in our teaching, and sometimes income is one of them. How can we make more money and teach less? I mean, is that even a thing? Actually, it is, and I'm going to share with you my step-by-step plan on how you can make more money and teach less. This one may surprise you. So get registered for the 3 master keys to teach music. You can register for the webinar right here, and I will see you on the inside.